Hey guys, Mahmoud Rubel here, and in this video, I'm going to quick review YouPost. So, YouPost allows you to convert your YouTube video to articles. So, as you can see, this offer ends in 30 hours. So, if you need this kind of tool, you can check out this tool on AppSumo. I have a link in the description. So, YouPost video article converter allows you to convert your video to article. So as you can see, they said UPush is a simple yet useful tool to create content in seconds. So it allows you to convert YouTube videos into complete articles with text and picture in one click. So that is very good. As you can see, it uh, uh, allows you to convert your video into text and also pictures. So this is a very good. You will receive SEO friendly article. Okay, and it is so easy to start using UPost. Okay, so there are some picture. As you can see, fast video to article conversion, and not only text but also picture from the video. SEO friendly article ready to be edited, several seconds spent on each video. Okay, you can pick also a language. So if I scroll down, as you can see, it has one time pass of $59, and it is only one code. Okay, the video to text conversion, video to article conversion. This is text and image from the video, unlimited conversion, SEO friendly articles, video conversion in second, easy to Chrome extension, and one account for different computers. Okay, let's see their tools. Okay, as you can see, uh, it $4.99, but you can get it lifetime on AppSumo. So it is a just a Chrome extension. As you can see, I just downloaded this Chrome extension. So I chose this video to create convert a article. So as you can see, so I just refresh this. So as you can see, it generate a article from this video. So as you can see, it has a picture. You can on off this picture, okay, if you want, and you can choose language, English, generate from English, and you can also save it as a PDF, as you can see. Okay, cancel it, and as you can see, it really just not extract all transcript. It make it SEO friendly. Most of us want to lose weight. Natural home ratings is one of way instead in losing weight safely. So if you want this kind of tool, you can check out this tool. I hope you guys understand what it is, and remember, this deal is only for 30 hours, then it deal is completely gone. So if you need this tool, please grab this right now. Thank you so much.